Time now for Better Living. Roses are red, violets are blue. You can make flowers from apples, too.
Nora Murphy of Nora Murphy Country House is showing us how to make an apple rose for this Mother's Day or for Kentucky Derby Day.
Yes, that's how this all started. My dear friend Holly Kern surprised me one day with a tray of these. And I said, oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. They must be complicated. She said, Nora, they're so simple.
So simple.
But again, it's flower season. It's time to get in the mode.
And you want to start by showing us some of the ingredients that are going into it.
Very easy. It's 4 ingredients.
Okay.
It's apples. I've chosen Red Delicious because we keep the skin on, and it has the beautiful red skin and a firm body. Frozen puff pastry that you're going to thaw. I love the Bon Maman apricot preserves, and Penzies, which I love, all their spices, ground cinnamon. So what you do, first of all, is be sure that your puff pastry is out and being thawed.
Yeah.
Then, while that's taking place, I take 3 tablespoons of the apricot preserve and 1 tablespoon of water, and I microwave it for like 30 seconds, just so it has this kind of a consistency.
A little bit more liquidy. Okay.
Yeah. Set aside, because you don't want to work with hot on this, because this dough is something you got to work quickly because it gets mushy.
Okay.
Alrighty. So let's start very easily.
Gonna make the apple flowers.
I'm gonna make the apple flowers. Now, all you do, I found this to be the easiest thing to do. Cut off the 2 ends.
Yep.
Take your core, and it's a single core in half.
Yeah.
Are you coring an apple?
I am coring an apple. Oh, what is he doing?
He's going back to the honeymooners. Can you core an apple?
So you see how
late, but we'll take it.
Okay.
But it's like perfect little clean apple. Now the key here too, guys, is that you need to have thin slices.
Okay.
And I'm just going to show you a couple. And what I've done is, what you do is you take half a lemon.
Okay.
And you squeeze it. You need half a lemon juice in there. Then you put all your sliced apples of your 2 apples. You need 2 apples for this, so I should put that there so everybody realizes that. And then I cover it with water, just enough. Put it in the microwave on high for about 4 minutes.
I love that you're using the microwave. This is like not that.
Yes, it's not that, no. And so, and the beautiful thing is, this is the consistency you want. And these are beautiful size.
Very pliable.
So what we're going to do.
Now the fun part.
Now is the fun part.
Let's see how this works.
We're going to cut it in half. And then I already did little score lines. And then you're going to take the halves and cut it in thirds.
Okay. So you end up with about 6 pieces for the sheet. 6
pieces, and you can only do 6 at a time because, and I'm going to cut this wavy off just so it makes life easier.
Okay.
But again, if you get really good at rolling, it kind of adds a little more dimension to your roses. So what I do now that my preserves are nice and cool.
Okay.
Scott, may I give you that? Because I'm afraid it's going to roll on your toe.
That's a heavy one.
It's marble, perfect for pastry. I take just a little bit and I spread it out. And now what I do is I start to scallop.
All the way down.
All the way down, but you have to overlap.
Layer. Okay, overlap.
And make sure that your apples are sticking out too, so you can get credit.
Past the edge.
Credit for the red.
And then you do exactly the same on the other side?
No.
Just one. Oh, really? Okay.
Okay, so now I need my cinnamon.
Okay.
Just dust it with a little shaker top.
Yeah.
I know. I can smell it. And this is also nice for fall. Then I tuck them in.
Oh, you tuck them in.
Like you're tucking them for bed. So you take the other half, just tuck it in.
Make them a little bed in there, a little folder for them.
Okay, now pay attention, because this is the part you guys are going to also do. You're going to start to roll it. And as you roll it, you're going to have to keep them in order.
Okay.
Keep them in, because they want to slide out.
This looks really simple.
And then that's just going to go in your muffin tin. Look at that.
Oh my God, how beautiful.
That is amazing. So we only have a minute, so Scott and I are going to try real quick.
I don't think we're going to do that.
We can try.
Or even do one together.
And then you take them out of the, when you put them in the oven?
Put them in the oven for 350.
350.
For 40 minutes. And what I do is the first 20 minutes I put a layer of aluminum foil on top so the skin doesn't brown so quickly.
I forgot this.
I forgot the jelly part. Okay.
Oh, no.
I know, but just add it
Don't forget the cinnamon.
Okay.
ahead.
We only have 30 seconds. I don't think I can roll in that, but I'll try.
You gotta tuck them in.
I'm going to tuck them in for bed. Maybe I'll have to roll them during the break. But
You're doing a good job. I'm surprised.
And then to lift it out, all you have to do is, with a little grapefruit knife, if you want to put that on the platter.
You put this leaf down from this fake thing.
Yes. So what I do, if you want to individually serve it, is I have these faux hydrangeas I collect, cut the leaf off, it's vinyl,
Put that on
put
there.
on,
And there you have
and
it.
there you have it.
All right, be sure to check out NoraMurphyCountryHouse.com for more ideas on decorating, gardening, and entertaining with roses.
Yay! You did it!
All right.